the first and foremost means education. Policy to kuweka at the ministry level chigo affect the whole country bado ngo affect chile Gusii. For example, ekarana to reduce school fees here university by 15% and 40%, aba Gusii na baro mko benefit wale in that is not something geko koru kando na iga kile ko na baro mko benefit wale chise muchons amangana ya totebe construction of the classrooms nagotebi, they were not just done in the national government, it was also done in Kisii. For example, and I want to give you some statistics, even the Gusii specifically. Ekaratu agacha ebirasi 23,000 junior school classrooms. Aiga Gusii to agacha 827 of them. 567 in Kisii and 254 in Nyamira. That is almost 1 billion. Out of the 11 billion that we were spending in the whole country, 1 billion was spent in Kisii. Number 2, since independence, Kisii County has had only 2 national schools. Kisii School and Nyaburu. This year, I was able to upgrade, or we were able to upgrade 6 other schools in Kisii County. Cardinal Tunga High School, Rio Kindo Boys, Nduru Boys, Kireri Girls, Itiwo Girls, na Ichuni Girls. How many? 6. But since independence, we only had 2. Now in Kisii County, we have 8. That is something na bumonda thanga kere karokubeke school yaba national chi benefit ni chinyinge chokora chigocha wanango bari kurusiko. You are given more expanded income, you are given more infrastructure, you are given more teachers. There's an advantage. So it is a good thing that we managed to do that. In Nyamira County, previously, from 1963, we also had only 2 national schools. That's Nyambalia Boys and Soronga Girls. This year, we added 3. That's Kebirigo Boys, Nyansiongo Boys, and Kebabe Girls, making them 5. So now we have 5 plus 8. Yeah, from 4, we have now 13. That is a very serious improvement milestone for this particular place called Gusii. Out of the 1,600 labs that we are going to construct, 47 are going to be in this region, 23 in Kisii and 14 in Nyamira. Remember, it is 1,600 out of the 47 counties, but we are doing 47. In Kisii, you can do the math. So that is something that we are also working on. Asitila bara torichiri 1,600 korbeka, 47 ni tocha korika koru Gusii, 23 koru Kisii, na ichinde balance ikoru Nyamira. Na chiri chinde nateba chiskuru to upgrade ligochi national schools. Ebina biro bitu akoreki to akorire. Akana so agari university. Ona nyora ntubu ati vice chancellors. Na manyire na sugumire twalikire babere kumenta wona na bali babere konya bakoretheki baro baikire bana. Ningendrete go pima ngoka. GDVC na beka bekire. Igara aje council na bekira banda bangisana as council university in that sector. Ikegere kero kuba beka na bugwa kire mundesimi kwa motebi nkonyaraba abana. Ali gora se help nere go distribute chigwerende akora kabeko mugusi kuri kwerende ngira waziri kwa but anyway, we have tried to make sure abantu betu bakoreki babikirwa se position baranyare okonyaba abantu ekera unabona abana abaji challenges chikoba nere ngotobinga abana abu barigereri ngakyogo okubasoti ubarigereri ngakyakuba akobanga the higher education loans board to abekiro monto mintoro and many other places. GCO tubwate twabikira abantu board cha polytechnics na bikire abagusi batari bake egera in just this short time mwakoyo na koriki na the list is quite long ndogende tukurwanderera abasio bande ndogende tukurwanderera n'abavisi bande banyore ndogende tukurwanderera chairman kugenda ilinda abantu bitu banyore kera utaspread ati bakonyanga kero munda Nairobi ngonyara umuntu no ko my bus fare airane gocha. But what is important is even the biospi etoranyana ko bikorekera tuli asesereka aseserekari na kiagera nkateba litu alenge state house kera ntu aliyenchera tukaanza the early this year ngarangiria leaders bonds bibagusi na professionals tukaendo mugobandi gete Nairobi tukaikaransa tukagamba tukubora ninga gusinga kitokora tochiamo egerekera tukurwandira ama tusabe bintu twasabe bintu bwa mutu igugwa tukarosia a strategic plan ya 7 years from this year to 2032 from this year to when 2032 mumbo atabi ekera ina arigeri ngatebaiga government si chigo change talibo lakini onye mubu ati program ye ino yo kore gasi na we bintu bigusiriranchira ekeri government system ya change umuntu ndo mwachire mwanya orakiri yakore kibiru tugateba torosi strategic plan ya 7 years until 2032 toyebeke University of Kisii togoteba nga onye na match ebintu tote bikoru nebi onye ne education nebi onye ne chipara nechi egere umuntu na ruobisi onye gotete kumanyanga ngikonyora tu asugumira asige kire ministry gete kwa gande university ya se depository Professor Getino will tell you that to be kaka head of that egere to mwaligererio ronga kaitwa kale kaitwa tigirete why
amaro yo mugusi ya kiama
tari ya kiama this is a development purely development yo mugusi and I'll tell you why ekara sondu murio yale kwa gachu mbata kiri kwa gache dam magwawa nero yatakiri ko na mache kuchisondu miru sondu miru ka gache gakorwa development no ere gali magwawa ikebwa bono muntu yo maitenga magwawa njalenga se program ya sondu miru lakini onye ndito bate depository ya stock enda twaligereri na twaligereri ndo tonyore no ekore teki
yoi
no ere mekubo iga gosen nakiakoru mekubo ere machoke there's a big water project there ya wena to koruna Hungary for the last 13 years katoki kwa mete somewhere kuna twache teiga nkagama no mumroli wa mache tukaire gente cabinet gaitigwa machabro na chakore na chagachu lakini ge kiebetu kiara for a long time munte yo manyitinga mikubo program neroro ebwene thoko so nkarangeria abantu abetu kiara to somete tokateba tuiso konyore ase library ita sto kubeke bintu ibi so that nigosi na aruo yacha to ngana ngosukuma renge skuru gete enyore bese yarikwa samwe kegere gekwebwe kera changes cyakore cyabeire because of that tukanjana nanga tungocha tole amo leaders tochamo n'abantu baitu bonse egere tokore development na kiya tuteke kagera tukara tuamite tukaenda state house tare 15 on challenge yes on 15th tuchite state house kerumonto abantu aboda former leaders current leaders champions aba MCA you know tukatoka tulegari tukateba ngusaba tole bintu ge tukasabe bintu biri twari konyara ko byabwango tukasabe university ya Nyamira university ya Nyamira yabete tauted ku 2016 nali abwena tukwa gacho 2016 igakwama 2023 kara yakwa murwa ikaba allocated chibesa 500 million ya gacho lakini itarachiko kwena chi problem ikabanga ngaya korake
yekwa gacho
yekoba mwako yoka financial year kara ya chibesa jide jigozere rancha ekara nachole tutare tisa I was sworn in on 9th of August tare 12 tukachane president Kyabonyaru kara tuacha twale gocho koloncha mangana ya kuwait project issue ya Nyamira University ka raised president gateba tige university ya and the challenges chindi chikakora chikacha ekera chiacha kwacha kwa ekora bone kara tware ngari tugasabanga bado ntuthe university ya Nyamira agateba kuba aturi so atutumite tuchi n'abantu ba defense atenga bono tiga abantu ba jeshi bakoreki agatwa muru na kitwachirite aramisi twarenge Nyamira gari koleta abantu ba jeshi koboroki site na koba site ngabono so in the next maybe 1 month contract dango soere yanze kwa gachi ini achievement ya moto akoreki imagine ko 2016 ekwamete ne project ya Nyamira University ke 3.9 billion yani no kwa gacha woka abantu bacho gukore gasigari abantu bakoreta match bagina baragiria abantu bakora gari chi materials ni no chikuguru gari so we will do it is going to be done tukasaba airstrip tukateba ntu kwa gacha airstrip ne airstrip asigetwe already commissioned because there is somebody was abantu bari batagete airport ende kuchukwa gachuse asigita ngao Nyamira or something like that karaba enda kucheck ya Nyamira wakanyana ne tente can't work atanga kuira tuli nyangusu kuira tuli iga musana noga ugaza bono sunikateyo sirongateyo bono tokaiya tukataba tuira miliye tunyako tumia tokoriye bibinde onyege gocho gotoka
motamento
inga bune gente ketunya ngwana nga 2027 ndu tolanga karato ikero atundezo nkera ati na wanyo no tokorete hotuli lakini ikitubwa bono tugutuguta karato yesuneka togendera agatetebi agatume chairman gocha akere twole ngoro igoroma be chairman yake bono bairane bacho batume technical team bayigule yanse korosi housing affordable housing Kisii movement ndubwatu malem in fact we are the number 1 candidate ya affordable housing chinyomba toire chiri chinke to because buli mumbu akoleteke ili atoire nyanchuga ali chiri chinyomba go 500 chi count chinde okonyara baire 5000 4000 they needed the land one of the pieces of land itakiri ne prison yebale town igani toteba tigatu move prison nangu nyanturago chero buli mumbu ro buli 600 acres tubaye 50 acres igai go 14 acres tubaye 50 acres igali twagache housing igai getown na a prison ya gachora yanturako two things will happen ti project jiren ibere tukoyacha housing igai into konyora a benefit na ari rogora tukuira twagache a prison ire modern twagache pakachipara chikogendo twagache school ya abantu ba staff bana babo twagache clinic so we develop that place again it's an extension is a new project we'll benefit from it that's what we were doing again yesterday twaling no mugavana simbarati as a unit because CBE to what 3 pathways one of them nearly creative sports creative arts and sports which requires sports facilities so tukasaba twagacherwe a stadium a modern iga bosongo as a SK tukanjirana will get $1 billion or $1.5 billion twagacherwe stadium mwili gari alafu ASK ebe moved gochi yatieko as a 13 acres chikolethek chire to SK your it's much larger so we move over 3-4 acres aliba chutwara 13 so again that's development here and development there so out of that meeting tukasabane pale kuru kaplong ego trimboka to ko dual carriageway ya then tutara ko dual carriageway because it might take time na to ko expand gerega le to na jira ini very to gendra to kunya to sort that thing he agreed one technical teams go jago tombale bakorega see so because we went as a united Gusii we were able to get those things so that they karato tabanga ki etora se serikali is not for nothing that we are there. There is something that we are seeing because this year 2025-26 the budget is 4 trillion 4.2 next year is another 4 trillion recurrent year was in 60% and all we have about 2 trillion ibere cha development lakini wao thenga ngamu bose konyora those 2 trillion because ntobwate a program ya 2027 ne serikali itwata githinga to where are we looking for this government bora tu aliko ligitonyore tokonyore benefit abantu bari ikwe ya chipara chirosigwe buna wano these constituencies a lot of roads are being done. I can read for you. I have a program here. Many roads have been lined up chigo cha kwagachu chimarketing kwagachu chire chibridge kwagachu une interchange ile daraja mbili, it is being done so that we can benefit from the government, so that we ekerto yani gatoko tabia bantu wetu nga tubwatisi egera tonyore these things, and you have to go to the table. We come to ende kerto rangiriu toko ende to tebanga na toko nyoro e opportunity o tengo mugambi tutagete ko da auto we binde bi komi wateba go bande ista usingo bande bitano ibinde to tukwa no jumo at least twanyore rege again, and it is going to be done. So I'm encouraged with how His Excellency the President is supporting us. Even in education, he has supported us fully. Yeah, everything we ask for, he'll tell us this is how we want to handle it. How to support, guidance, and all that. I want to benefit. Can you imagine how would I have managed to upgrade the school in 1 year? We have been having only 2 from 1963, and it's not like Tindigo Judge Monto, bro. What ministry to do it? I'm not judging, but it is there to see what.
Thank you.
Yeah,